This tutorial will guide you through on how to clear RAM on iOS smartphone free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you want to type in settings and click on the setting icon. If you scroll up and click the search bar, you can type in RAM, but unfortunately on your iOS device, you will not be able to clear the RAM this way. But what you can do on your device is click the search bar and type in assistive space touch and click on assistive touch, or the first option, and make sure that the assistive touch option is turned on. And you can see we have now successfully enabled this. You want to click on the assistive touch and click device on the top right hand screen, and on the top left hand screen you want to hold down the lock screen icon for 2 to 4 seconds. In this case, now you're given the option to slide to power off or to click cancel. Click on the assistive touch icon one more time, and then now you want to hold down the home button on the bottom hand screen for 2 to 3 seconds. You have successfully cleared the RAM on your iOS device completely for free.